Hi there, my name is Lori Howard, and I am the owner of Lori Howard Coaching. I'm an executive career coach, and I help technology leaders and executives to find their epic next job. And I wanted to share with you some of the benefits I have received from being in the strategy sphere. So I joined the strategy sphere in the middle of June. Right away, I started attending the 5 a.m. club call, and that is the first thing I did that completely changed my business. I immediately became more productive because I had more time in my day to do the creative work in my business. And then I would spend my normal working hours from like 9 o'clock in the morning till 7 o'clock at night working with clients. I continued to do that. But now I had all this time in the morning where I was getting more things done. Another benefit I've received from this program is learning the importance of having a foundational practice in my day where I focus on mindset. One of the things that Jean talks about is listening to The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale. And I have done that every day for the last month. And it is really interesting how I'm learning and growing just from that and just from putting my mind in a different place first thing in the morning. I started or resumed actually a reading practice that I used to do where I read books to benefit my business, to benefit my mindset, my mental state, how I think about business. I do all of that first thing in the morning now, in addition to some other self-care things to take care of my physical well-being so that physically, mentally, spiritually, I am in a stronger place and I'm on a solid foundation for my workday. I also have been listening to Jean's trainings and doing everything I can to take immediate action on those. And I will say that the results have been pretty amazing. In June, I actually had my highest month this year in terms of revenue. In July, I had a decent sized stable month, but I also hadn't been doing the same things I was doing in June. In August, I kicked it back up and refocused and began applying all the things I knew that had worked for me in that second half of June that turned June into a kick butt month for me. And August has been my best month ever in my business. The most money I've ever made in a single month, including when I was an executive in an investment research firm downtown, working in IT and software development. This still is the most money I've ever made in a single month. And I am so looking forward to September and seeing what I can do then. All of those are benefits that I received and things I have begun to accomplish since joining the strategy sphere and really participating fully in everything it has to offer. The support from the other participants has been phenomenal. So if you've been thinking you'd really like to make some changes, I really do encourage and invite you to check it out. I wish you all the best. Again, clearly I've had a good experience with the strategy sphere and I hope you do as well. Have a great day.